It was because I had braces when I was younger and typical didn't wear the retainer. So as much as I have a fixed retainer behind my top teeth, I didn't on my bottom. Never wore the retainer, so my teeth had just moved, and I think it was just more working from home and going on Zoom calls and stuff. I really started to notice my bottom teeth. So yeah, I just wanted them straightened. I just kind of Googled, so I was looking at places up in Newcastle, and then, because I live local, when I found Ewan Bramley, I hadn't heard of it, but I just found it on Google and looked at some of the reviews and it looked really good. And then because it was kind of during COVID, I had a video consultation, and I was quite open to doing Invisalign or fixed brace. I just kind of wanted the cheaper option. It probably worked out quite well because it was during lockdown, so I was wearing masks and stuff, so no one actually seen the bottom brace. Yeah, and I hadn't kind of said like, oh, I'd be happy for a fixed brace like straight away. He was just like, be open-minded, like I might suggest a few different things, like you go away, think about it, decide what's best for you. But because it was kind of it wasn't the fastest option, but because it was the cheaper one, I was like, I'm quite happy to just do that. Yeah, I was given kind of all the information, and Chris really set my expectations of kind of a rough timeline. So it might be slightly quicker, it might take slightly longer. So I knew exactly what I was getting into coming into it. I knew it was going to be a fixed brace, and then towards the end we'd move on to kind of the aligner system. Was very clear on all the costs, kind of the teeth whitening at the end, which was a bonus. So yeah, it was all really clearly explained. I think because I'd had braces before, I kind of knew what to expect a little bit. And I was really surprised how quickly my teeth moved. So I think it was within about 2 months, I was like, oh, they're practically straight. So I think I was a lot happier going for the fixed brace rather than the aligner system, because I think I might have thought it was taking a little bit longer, but the fixed brace just worked so quickly. I got them on in September, so it's taken like 9-10 months. Which I think Chris originally said it could take anywhere between 9 and 12, so we're like bang on. Yeah, definitely. Actually, one of my friends decided to come to Ewan Bramley and didn't go for the fixed brace, she went for the aligner system, but yeah, she's also really enjoyed her treatment as well, so much better. I think I'm surprised I actually went for so long with my bottom teeth so wonky. Like I've been looking back on photos and I really noticed it, whereas I think for a long time I didn't notice it and I wasn't bothered and I didn't think I wanted to spend the money, whereas now that I have, it was so worthwhile. It's been really good. Like I say, Chris explains everything really well, feel really comfortable with him, and he's been really conscious, especially towards the end, that as much as he's happy that my teeth are straight, am I happy is there anything else that I've noticed, and there hasn't been, to be fair. He's sorted everything out. We did have a few things when I moved on to the retainer system, that a couple of them were quite loose. But they were really quick to remake them and sort it out. I think there was a week where I came in a couple of days, but they sorted it really quick if there was any issues.